Nagpagupit nga pala ako ng buhok as in short hair, o di ba? And alam naman natin na kapag ganito kaiksi, maganda pa tignan kasi naka-blower pa at galing ka pang parlor. Pero kapag nailigo mo na, ayan na, nagsisipagtikwasan na. Buti na lang nakita ko at sineck out ko na agad. Wala na pag-aalinlangan. This 2-in-1 wireless hair straightener comb, mini portable hairbrush, at USB charging travel. Actually, this rechargeable negative ion hair straightener comb is very small and portable. The net weight nito is only 116 g, using constant temperature heating which can very effectively smooth the hair straightening. At itong comb is equipped with a hair care ceramic coating. Very safe and very practical. At pwede mo pang dalhin anytime at anywhere ha. So ano pa inaantay nyo? Grab yours also.